Is your USB Wi-Fi adapter not connecting or working on Windows? Then here are some ways to fix it. Now for the first fix, check for issues with your Wi-Fi connection. To check that, connect your mobile phone or other devices to the Wi-Fi connection you're using now. Now if other devices also fail to connect to your Wi-Fi or disconnect periodically, there is a problem with your Wi-Fi connection. Additionally, ensure that the USB adapter works correctly. To check that, plug in the same adapter with a different device and see if that works. Moreover, ensure that the port you're connecting the adapter to is not defective. Now if all of those did not work, apply some preliminary fixes like disabling airplane or battery saving modes on your device if they are enabled, restarting your router, and then restarting your mobile device if you're using a mobile hotspot to connect to the internet via the USB adapter. And those are the simple ways on what you can try when your USB Wi-Fi adapter is not connecting or working in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.